Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Airport Executive Manager Tom Atta says there's been a high demand for thermal scanners, but Guam's should arrive within the next 60 days. It will cost about $10,000 to $20,000, well worth the added reassurance that its screening provides.
If we detect that there's someone with a high temperature, then we would have to identify that and pull them off to the site. And that's where public health then is going to have to come in and do their clinical screening to see if that high temperature is symptomatic of virus or whether they just basically have a bad flu.
The airport has also identified certain isolation areas within the concourse to hold passengers with symptoms.
One, it's got to be close to restroom facilities. Two, it's got to be large enough so that if it's a flight that has 20 passengers that really needs to be isolated, it should be large enough to be able to hold these passengers there, and large enough so that public health can come in and do their work.
The scanners will also be mobile and capable of moving from gate to gate. Atta says there will not be 100% screening of passengers. Instead, they will conduct selective screening based on passenger data provided by the airlines and regulatory authorities.
We have limited resources to do that, so you've really got to target your flights of interest. There are information capabilities to be able to say, okay, on a certain flight, there are some passengers that really should be identified and isolated because of their recent travels. And then based on that, then you go to that particular flight, and that's when you identify your possible persons of interest.
Certain other operational details still need to be worked out, such as which agency personnel will be responsible for conducting the scanning.
For Guam's News Network, I'm Nestor Lecanto.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.